So far, we have constructed expressions and equations using flowcharts, backtracking, and so on to see what we started with. Now it's the time to look at how we actually solve equations, the process that is used to solve equations. And they're solved by using inverse operations. That's the name we've used for when we do the equal and opposite on both sides of the equation. So we invert the operation until we get just the pronumeral on one side. And whatever that equals, that is the solution to the equation. We might have one-step equations, or we might have more steps. Let's have a bit of a look. When there is just one operation to be undone, these are known as one-step equations. A couple of examples of this would be the following. X plus 4 equals 16. There's only the plus 4 to be undone. Subtracting 4 both sides, we get that x equals 12. If I substitute x equals 12, or x for 12, 12 for x, then I see that 12 plus 4 equals 16. So x equals 12 is the solution to the equation. Now we can cut and paste or whatever we can do, but what we are doing is undoing the equation in one step by doing the exact opposite. Multiply, divide. If it's added, subtract. If it's divided, multiply, and so on. Let's look at this one. 4x equals 36. We'll undo the multiplying by dividing by 4 both sides. And we see that that leaves us with x equals 9. I've divided 4 both sides. 9. So if I substitute x equals 9, 4 times 9 equals 36. So x equals 9 is the solution. Now the order in which we undo them, if there's more than one, is that the last one is undone first or inverted first. In this instance, 5x minus 2. Minus 2 was said last, it's the first one to be undone. Then undo the multiplying by dividing, and we see that x equals 2. When I substitute that back in, we see that 10, 5 times 2 minus 2 equals 8. These are known as two-step equations, and they're called two steps because there is two lots of operations to be undone. This one, the last one that was said, was plus 7, 2x plus 7. It's undone first. And then the multiplying by 2 is undone second. I see that x equals 8. And when I substitute that back in, 2 times 8 plus 7 does equal 23. In the second one, x divided by 3 minus 9. Minus 9 is said second, so it's undone first by addition. And then we undo the division, x divided by 3, by multiplying by 3 both sides. And we see the solution is x equals 33. 33 divided by 3 equals 11, minus 2 equals 1. What we've seen is you may write it this way, doesn't really matter. What they've done through there is take two inverse operations to find a solution. In the next video, we'll look at doing 3 or more steps and some harder ones of the two-step equations, and also how to take information, put it into an equation, and then to solve it, which is the key, which is what we're trying to do.